Both drivers are ready, so we begin in 3, 2, 1, fight. Hey, look at that. Skyjacker got up almost immediately for about half a second. Oh, and now it's doing the flashy thing again. Uh-oh. Well, now's your time to strike. I think he's trying to get control of it. Oh, there, that'll get you in the air. Wow, that actually almost worked. All right, nice shot there. Back on his landing gear. Hey, look at that. He held up for a hit. That's impressive. That drum spinner hit it good, too. All right, so now you got to figure out how to go after it. Make sure you don't drive out the side on your own. Oh, goodness. And so he's currently grounded. This will be a good opportunity for Tofu to come in there and take a chunk out of him, but difficult to drive for sure. You can see I think it's pulling pretty hard to the right on Kaylee there as Matthew managed to get off the ground. Skyjacker flying around in the air. Aggression this is not, but oh jeez, tapped the red hazard and goes flying. Big chunk of something there. Oh, and now he's vacuuming himself to the wall as he's going up but into the side. Hey, there you go, shuts it off, comes back down, and immediately Tofu is right there. Managed to tink the little, I don't know what those are. What are you, flails, I guess? Yeah, actually, Skyjacker's holding on surprisingly well. Tofu comes in for a good hit. Skyjacker still on his base, so he can get up. Does have his flails kind of stuck on the edge of the wall there, though. I hope he'll be able to pull that out. Yeah, he's winding it up pretty good. There, Tofu comes in, couple of hits. Once to upside down, and this time right side up. How is it still operating? I thought for sure it'd be destroyed. And Matthew managed to hold on for a minute and a half, but the win goes to Tofu. Congratulations, Kaylee.